currently demoing out a section of this wall because doors, there's one going over here and there's one going right here. Today is April 6th. This is going to be short number 96. And we got the double door in. It's all set. We got to do a little bit of that stuff. Siding, there we go. Got to put siding back around it so it can get painted. But that door is set. Got a little bit to finish up tomorrow. And then maybe, just maybe, we will get back to finally finishing the drywall.